How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another fantastic video from Life Made Easy. Today, guys, we got a quick unboxing and full review of the Newbie NB-6s. Thank you, shout out to Newbie for sending me out these on-ear style headphones. Spoiler alert, these are some of the best on-ear headphones I've ever tried, in my opinion. Nice black color. Sadly, there is no case with these headphones, which I was a little disappointed with. But other than that, I thought these were some of the best overall on-ear headphones that I've ever personally listened to. Love the matte black color on these. And it's very simple packaging. Micro USB cable to charge, and then a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable, and a manual to go along with it. So now let's hop into the full review. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another awesome video from yours truly, Life Made Easy. Today we got a headphone review of the Newbie wireless active noise canceling headphones NB-6S version. So just gonna be going over my objective and subjective thoughts on these headphones. Thank you so much for Newbie for sending me out these pair. It's been awesome testing them out. And foreshadowing or spoiler alert, these are some of my favorite headphones of all time. So without further ado, let me just get into like basic specs about these. They're awesome, and so they're hi-fi stereo certified, reduced ambient noises up to 93%. So they're on-ear headphones. I got the black version here, and they do have active noise canceling technology. There's a button on the side that says active noise cancellation right in the middle. I don't know if my camera can actually pick that up. But so on the side, let me just go over some hardware stuff first. Also, these retail for $39.99 on Amazon there, and they're also available on Newbie's website. So as you probably could see in my unboxing video, we have a power button on the top, as well as like a phone call button to dial to answer calls, and then to also dial your most recent phone contact, I think it is. We have a minus and a plus on the left and right to increase or decrease the volume. Then on the bottom we have a play pause button, and nothing on the right hand side except there is an NFC button. Well, it's not a button, it just says NFC on there, which is a little weird. So on-ear style headphones, I am not usually a fan of on-ear style headphones. I don't even think I have. I think I have one pair, and they're pretty cheap. So, and they're from Amazon. And I wasn't a fan of those. So I've always been an over-ear style headphone lover. These kind of I wouldn't say changed my opinion, but it certainly like made me understand why people like on-ear style headphones. There's certain perks to on-ear style headphones. Number one, lightweight. These are not heavy at all. Number two, I think you can work out with on-ear style headphones more than you can over-ear. If you go to the gym, like I go to the gym personally a lot, and I've noticed people wearing on-ear style headphones way more than like over-ear style. Over-ear is a little clunky, heavy on you, and they're just not really built for working out. Like I'm an earbud kind of guy when I'm working out at the gym, but I can totally understand why people would wear on-ear headphones like these, because they're super light, super compact. They also fold up like this. Is pretty sweet. So storage is no issue. One thing I do have to knock it for, I know I'm getting into a negative kind of early on, is there was no case that was sent with it. So it's not actually anything wrong with the headphones. It's just that I wish there was a case sent with this for storage purposes. I don't know. So yeah, Newbie, fantastic company. They usually specialize in audio. I also have to do another review of their Bluetooth headset over there. That's more for phone calls and stuff, not listening to music. But fully adjustable, very sturdy on the adjusting. I hate when headphones are like easily go through various size settings here. These are really sturdy, and I can already tell these are like really robust. Cushioning on the head, amazing, no issues there. Ear cup, cushions, got that nice like protein leather feel here, nice and soft, no issues there. I've been wearing these for a prolonged period of time, and I have had no issues on my head when wearing them. I mean, like, no discomfort at all. Let me just make sure. Um, yeah, I know I'm wearing a hat right now, but um, yeah, actually, absolutely no discomfort whatsoever. We do have the newbie logo on the side there. And the way you know you active, oh, got a new subscriber. I gotta turn that off. But active noise cancellation button on the side. You'll know it's on it with the green button. At first I was like, how do I know if it's on or not? It was hard to tell. But yeah, it's the green button right there. Pretty easy to notice. Weird thing is, this is weird. I have not experienced this with too. Well, maybe my last pair of headphones I reviewed had this weird thing that like the audio completely changed when you go from active noise canceling to non-active noise canceling. I don't know why, but I don't know why companies are doing this now, where it like completely changes the audio. I wouldn't say completely changes, like slightly modifies the audio. I would say put these in active noise canceling mode. The audio feels a lot like closer to you, and not as distant. Like the vocals don't feel like a little. The vocals feel a little distant when you don't have active noise cancellation on. So I would just recommend to keep it on all the time. It is pretty good though, I will say, for on ear. Usually I would only think that works for on over ear. I can't speak over ear headphones, but surprisingly, these like blocked out like I mean it says 93%. And I gotta say, like, yeah, it seemed like 93%. I couldn't hear anything. Which is nice. Charges via micro USB. I mean, like that sucks, but $39.99. Like, really, you're gonna complain about that? Like, they don't have USB-C. They can also work in wired mode if you're into that. Keep in mind these do have a microphone, but they only work in Bluetooth or wireless mode. They will not work in wired mode, which I wish more headphone companies would implement. Because I have an Xbox and I want to use I would love to use these on my Xbox, but Xbox does not have Bluetooth, so I can't use these. Yeah, Xbox fixed that with the Series X. I digress. Love the black color. Obviously, I don't know if they knew this when sending me these headphones, but yeah, I got a thing for black. Tech in general, I think black is the best color when it comes to tech. Just my opinion. Mostly plastic feel, but it is rather smooth, kind of like a silicone feel almost. Mixture of plastic and silicone, which is cool. So yeah, build quality A plus, no complaints there. Although it is plastic, mostly plastic, I don't really care and notice at all. I don't think you should. So that's it for the hardware side of things. Let's get into the audio. So yeah, you can also connect these to literally anything that has Bluetooth, tablet, PC, or a TV even. I guess TVs are more and more TVs these days actually have Bluetooth capability, so you can just like wear headphones when you're watching a movie, which is weird to think about that you're wearing headphones and watching TV. I don't know. Most people have speakers and like it's a social thing. I don't. There's also a lightning storm going on while I'm filming this video. So there's also a button for Siri voice control on here. That's the button I was referring to earlier on the top. You click that. Yeah, if you want to activate Siri. It says nothing about Google Assistant, so I'm not too sure on that for the Android lovers out there. So yeah, audio. This is where things get interesting, right? Audio on these headphones is unbelievable. I'm not even kidding. I have reviewed so many headphones on this channel. These are some of the best sounding headphones I've ever listened to. And they're on ear. They are on ear, not even over ear, so you don't get that like complete seal with over ear. And these sound amazing. 10 out of 10. No, nothing's perfect. 9.5 out of 10. Literally 9.5 out of 10 with audio. And they're $40 on Amazon. Like, I think this might be the easiest recommendation for headphones I've ever made in my entire life. Like, you can work out with them. They're lightweight. They sound amazing. The build quality is there. It's stiff. It's rugged. You're not going to break them easily. Like, there's, like, hardly any downsides with these. Other than that, maybe I would like the buttons to be a little more clicky, but they're completely fine. Okay, so here we go. Audio, I'm a big bass fan. These are not overwhelming on the bass. But I mean, like, I kind of just contradicted myself. I don't mind if there's not a ton of bass there. There is bass here, but it's just like not like overwhelming, like beats sort of bass. So it's not overwhelming, but obviously you can adjust that in mixer settings if you do want more bass. So there's always customization with that, right? But there is still bass. I just want to get that across. It's just not overwhelming. Mids and highs, this is where it shines. There's no tinniness in these headphones at all. Absolutely no tinniness. When I listened to various types of music, rock, rap, even smooth jazz sometimes, pop. So the fact that the mids and highs were so clear was amazing. Vocals, super clear. Instruments, super clear. No issues. So yeah, like 9.5 out of 10, honestly, on the audio and just overall package of these headphones. They check every single box that I want in headphones. I do not normally go above and beyond when reviewing headphones and say that this is good. This is like genuine subjective. Other than the subjective side, when I listed the stats earlier of these, the subjective side of this review, amazing. Like, amazing headphones. I went out of my way to film a custom membership video just exclusively for members, which I will eventually release, just talking about how much I love these headphones. That's the length I went to make that, or just like promote. Like, newbie, you hit this out of the park. I don't know how you did it, but please send me more of your product. Or if you have other products that are this good, like, hit me up. I don't know how you built these, and you're selling these for $40 on Amazon. Like, I was shocked when I saw this price. I was like, holy crap. I'm like, okay, if I just go on Amazon here, one sec. This is absurd. Like, right now, these have a 3.7 out of 5 rating on Amazon. That is a complete joke. That is a joke. Who is reviewing these? This is just one of those things that's like, don't believe everything you hear on the internet. Yeah. I mean, like, I was sitting here, like, seriously considering just, like, using these as my daily driver headphones. Do you know how many pairs of headphones I have? I have so many pairs of headphones at this point. I do need to sell a lot of them. I can't keep this many pairs. I might give them to friends or sell them or something. I have, like, tried so many headphones on this channel. Like, over $300. Like I have Bose that are over $300 noise canceling that sound literally insane. I'd argue that these sound, well, obviously, like, be realistic here. $300 versus $40, it's not that close, but, like, these check almost every box as those Bose do. Like, why are people not loving these headphones more? I don't understand this. And this is not a paid review. I did not get paid to review these headphones. They were just sent out to me by Newbie. And these are all just my honest thoughts. I wasn't bribed. I was not sponsored, not paid to say anything. And yeah, I literally have, like, almost barely any complaints with these headphones. It's all positives. It's all positives. I don't know what these people are saying on Amazon. If I just, like, sit here and read one of these. Any bad reviews? It's weird because I'm scrolling through reviews here and they're all positive on the top. I can't. I don't know. I can't find any bad reviews at the moment. So whatever. Go pick these up. Links in the description. Newbie, you knocked it out of the park. NB-6s, 6S, I think they call it. Yeah, I mean, these are amazing. Like, just go pick these up. These are fantastic for video consumption, podcasts, anything, watching TV if you even want to, hooking them up to your computer just for external audio. Oh, there's thunder. I got no complaints. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Newbie, thank you for sending me these out. I appreciate it. Anyone new is watching this video, hit that notification bell, subscribe to see more awesome reviews coming in the future. If your company watching this and you'd like to send me out a product to review, I'd be happy to do so. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So, hey, we got a new subscriber. See you guys.